Hello guys, in today's video, I am going to be walking you through affiliate marketing full guide. Everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, how to start and how to make money with it. This is G Instruct, where you find videos on how to make money online. And if you are new here, subscribe to this channel and turn notifications on so you will be informed when a new video is released. So guys, without wasting much time, let's start. Guys, in this guide you will learn what affiliate marketing is, why you should start affiliate marketing, how much you can make with affiliate marketing, and how to get started with affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you promote another company's product or service in return for a commission on the sales you generate. Commissions are typically a percentage of the sale price, but can occasionally be a fixed amount. Affiliate marketing is an amazing and quick pay online business you can carry out with just your mobile phone. That's if you don't have a laptop. You may ask, why should I choose affiliate marketing over other forms of making money online that is out there? That's very simple to answer with just these two reasons. First, affiliate marketing is low risk and requires no investments or capital. Starting a business means incurring upfront costs for products, employees, equipment, rent, and so on. This makes other businesses risky and expensive. With affiliate marketing, all you need is a website, and sometimes you may not need a website to carry out affiliate marketing. Check the description for link to a video that will show you how to promote your links as an affiliate marketer. Let's move on. Secondly, affiliate marketing is easy to scale. A typical salesperson only sells products from one company. As an affiliate marketer, you can promote products from many different companies and earn commissions from all of them. Starting a business with low risk that you can scale up easily is worthy enough to consider. Next, how does affiliate marketing work? The merchant or advertiser gives each affiliate a unique link so they can track who was responsible for a sale. When someone clicks that link, a small file called a cookie gets stored on their device. An affiliate cookie does two things. One, it helps the merchant attribute the sale back to the right person. Two, it usually holds an expiration date, so you get paid even if the buyer delays their purchase. How much money can I make as an affiliate marketer? The simple answer is that there is no limit. It depends on your niche and the amount of work you put in. The most successful affiliate marketers make 6 or 7 figures a month. You need to manage your expectations. You won't earn the big bucks right off the bat, but don't let this discourage you. The success of others tells you that with hard work, time, and the right knowledge, you too can potentially reach those levels. Next, how can anyone get started with affiliate marketing? As a beginner, you can start affiliate marketing by deciding which platform you want to use as your affiliate site. Theoretically, you can do affiliate marketing on any platform. Even Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, or other social media platforms works. Or to make it professional, you can simply start a blog, which can be free or paid to start, or a YouTube channel to get audience. Starting a blog today is relatively easy and cheap. There are plenty of tutorials online that teach you how to get started. The best part is, it'll likely only cost you a few dollars per month. You can also use YouTube. Creating and uploading content to YouTube is free, which makes it ideal for many people. Note that you'll need to disclose the fact that you're including affiliate links. The Federal Trade Commission's (FTC) requires you to be transparent when receiving income from an endorsement. So guys, the next step to start affiliate marketing as a complete beginner is by choosing your niche. Choose a topic that focuses on a specific category. For example, the topic of food is an enormous category. Rather than tackling that, try something more specific, like grilling food. Keeping your topics tight can help you build a more focused audience and potentially help you rank higher in search engines. Now, if you're going to be the main content creator, choose something you're interested in. Many affiliate sites die due to a lack of consistency. So at the very least, if you're passionate about a topic, you'll find it much easier to press on when the going gets tough. Next step is to find affiliate programs to join. There are 3 types of affiliate programs to choose from. The first is high-paying but low-volume affiliate programs. These are affiliate programs for niche products with high payouts. For example, ConvertKit's affiliate program pays almost $700 per month if you send just 80 customers their way. However, as they sell CRM software for small business owners, there's a limited pool of buyers. There also tends to be more competition for programs with high commissions. Since you're probably just starting, it'll be quite challenging to competing against skilled marketers with deep pockets. The second is low-paying but high-volume affiliate programs. These are affiliate programs for products with low payouts, but mass appeal. For example, take PS4 games. Lots of people play PS4, but the average cost of a game is only around $50, and affiliate commissions are usually in the single digits. This means you'll earn $2 to $3 per sale if you're lucky. The redeeming quality of these types of programs is that they usually offer tons of products to sell. Take Amazon's affiliate program for example. You can earn up to 10% commissions on almost anything Amazon sells. The third is high-paying and high-volume affiliate programs. These are affiliate programs for products with mass appeal, which also pay high commissions. One example is credit cards. Everyone needs a credit card, and most people stay with the company for years, sometimes even decades. The downside of these types of products is that they attract affiliate marketers with lots of expertise and deep pockets. Some also use spammy tactics that you just can't compete with. And since this is a tutorial for beginners, I won't go any deeper into this. Just be aware that these programs exist. So guys, the next question that may be running through your mind is how to decide which affiliate programs to join. Don't worry, I got you covered. The affiliate program you join depends on your niche and level of expertise. If you're targeting consumers, you'll likely go with the second model of low commissions and higher sales volume. If you're going after a business audience, you'll likely go for the first model, which is high-paying and low volume. The most popular programs here are for software and web hosting related products. The best way to find these affiliate programs is with a Google search. Next is to create great content that will solve your audience pain point. If you want your affiliate site to succeed, you need to create high-quality content where your affiliate links fit naturally. Don't just blindly curate products from Amazon's bestsellers. Go the extra mile to make sure your content solves the visitor's problem. After creating valuable content, the next step is to drive traffic to your affiliate site. Create awareness about your affiliate site. Get more people to read it, so they will click on your affiliate links. You can use these 3 traffic strategies to drive organic or other source traffic to your affiliate site. If you have the budget, you can consider paid traffic. This is where you pay for traffic to your site. You can do this using PPC ads. The advantage of paid traffic is that the moment you start paying, you get traffic. However, there are some downsides. First, running ads will dig into your profits. It's quite normal for advertisers to lose money before they make it, if they ever do. You need to be realistic about how long it takes to optimize a paid traffic campaign. Secondly, once you stop paying for ads, your traffic will stop. Generally speaking, ads are a great traffic strategy if you're part of a high-paying affiliate program and can make the numbers work. Second strategy to drive traffic to your affiliate site is with search engine optimization, also known as SEO. SEO is the practice of optimizing pages to rank high in search engines like Google. For as long as you can rank high in the search engines for your target keywords, you'll get consistent and passive traffic. On the most basic level, SEO is about understanding what your target customers are searching for, creating content around those topics, blog posts, product pages, etc., and taking care of the technical stuff to push these pages higher in the search engines, which includes link building. Guys, if you like this video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Next method to get started with affiliate marketing as a beginner is to build an email list. Email lists allow you to communicate with your readers anytime. Use email to tell fans about new content and keep them coming back to your site for more. This leads to more affiliate clicks and sales. You can even send affiliate email promotions to your list directly. To build an email list, you need to persuade the readers on your site to sign up. That means offering something valuable. But there are plenty of ways to do this. You can also offer a free ebook, an email course, etc. in exchange for their email, and start building your email list. This is an awesome way to start affiliate marketing. All you need is some creativity. If you don't have an email list, you are missing a lot as an affiliate marketer. Start building your email list today with GetResponse through the GetResponse link in the description below. The next step to take to get started with affiliate marketing as a beginner is to get clicks on your affiliate links. Just because you have an amazing piece of content doesn't mean people will click on your affiliate links. There are a few things you need to consider. First, you must make your affiliate links easy to spot. In website content and blogs, it's crucial to put your affiliate links above the fold. It means that in order to get more clicks from the readers, they should see the links as soon as they browse your page. Write quality content and use the right words to grab attention and get readers to click the links. Secondly, promote products related to your niche. A better method to get clicks on your affiliate links is to create content around the product or the niche you promote. Finally, the last method is to convert clicks to sales. In affiliate marketing, two conversions need to take place for you to make money. The first conversion is the click to the product page. You're 100% in control of this action. Use the tactics above to improve your chances of getting that click. The second conversion is the visitor purchasing the product. In the case of affiliate marketing, the merchant controls the checkout and their conversion rates are out of your control. The trick is to play the game to your advantage and look for merchants with programs that convert well. Here are a few ways to find them. First, look for public income reports. If people are making decent money from an affiliate program, then it's likely that the product converts well. How do you know if people are making money? Look at public income reports where bloggers publicly reveal how much money they're making from their affiliate deals. You can find these reports on Google. For example, if you search for income report Amazon affiliate, you'll see a few blog posts showing how bloggers have made money from Amazon affiliates. Second way to find them is to ask questions. If there isn't much information available about an affiliate program you want to join, sign up and ask questions. For example, you might want to find out what their average conversion rates are, or a ballpark figure of their top earners' monthly commissions. This can help you figure out if the affiliate program is worth promoting. Thirdly, use your intuition. Sometimes, it's best to go with your gut feeling. If the program or product you're checking out feels off, or if you would personally never recommend the product to a friend or family member, then don't promote it. That is it, guys. So I hope you have learned a lot today. Affiliate marketing is not as hard as you think. When you follow the method here, you are sure to get it right and start making money for yourself and be financially free. Like and subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you will be notified when I release a new video. Don't forget, guys. G Instruct loves you all. Goodbye.